Vivo recently released the V25 Pro, the newest addition to their lineup of mid-range products. The brand kept the distinctive qualities of the V23 Pro, such as the color-changing design, the 3D curved display, and the small form factor. With the 64MP primary camera enabling OIS and Super Night Portrait, they have increased the camera's performance. A larger battery and a brand new chipset are also present. Hey guys, welcome to Krrazzy Tech. In this video, we will discuss the Vivo V25 Pro. The video will be amazing, so stick to the end. Before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The Vivo V25 Pro is available in two versions. The slightly less expensive variant comes with 128 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM, and the other one with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Unboxing experience. A sizable silver box with the company's emblem is what the Vivo V25 Pro comes in. Information about the manufacturing procedure and storage choices are printed on the back of the box. The Vivo V25 Pro retail box includes the following items: the Vivo V25 Pro 5G, a transparent back cover, Type-C USB cable, 66-watt adapter, SIM ejector, warranty card, and various smartphone-related documentation. Design. One of the most upscale appearing mid-range smartphones on the market right now has been positioned as the Vivo V25 Pro. The device is particularly simple to grip thanks to its flat bottom, metal edges, and curved glass sandwich design. At 6.5 inches, this phone is by no means petite, yet Vivo managed to keep the weight at a respectable 190 grams. The device looks great visually, and the color shifts in sections rather than uniformly through the back. Additionally, it's offered in pure black, which looks much better. The textured AG glass on the rear makes a better grip when holding the phone. A significant camera bump is also there on the rear, but it has been treated in a nifty way. The wobble is also far less than what we are used to, and it is slimmer. The remaining aspects, though, are rather fundamental. You'll discover the USB Type-C charging port at the bottom. It is immediately adjacent to the SIM card slot, which can hold 2 nano SIM cards. A speaker grill is also present on the bottom. The volume and power buttons are on the right. Display. The 6.5-inch FHD Plus 3D curved AMOLED display on the Vivo V25 Pro has a resolution of 2376 by 1080p. The curved panel has achieved rich, vibrant colors that are crisp and true to the source. Excellent black levels are also present. The smartphone's display panel enables streaming Netflix HDR video, which is the icing on the cake. The panel's peak brightness is 1300 nits, providing clear details while viewing television and movies. The panel has excellent clarity. The display is legible outside unless the sun is directly overhead, thanks to the brightness. Additionally, the display has an always-on feature, which is advantageous. The display is equipped with an adjustable refresh rate referred to as a smart switch and enables a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. Depending on your viewing content, this changes the screen's refresh rate from 60 to 120 Hz. Software. The Vivo V25 Pro comes pre-installed with the FunTouch OS 12 skin on top of the Android 12. Uninstalling any of the preloaded short-format content apps will remove any bloatware that is present on the device. It has been a while since FunTouch OS first appeared. With the app icon standing out, it has a nice design and is colorful. In stark contrast to other brands, the taskbars, shelf, and calendar provide a unique experience. It performs miracles to support the USP of the Android world. When it comes to customization, the OS also excels. There's much more to come, though you get the standard dark and light modes here. The device enables the most interaction, allowing for themes, app icon sizes, text sizes, and animation changes. With Android 12, many widgets are available, and they are all executed flawlessly. Additionally, there is game space on the gadget, which enhances the gaming experience. It has cool features like performance modes, a voice changer, and screenshot shortcuts. Performance. Before moving to the next section, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. The smartphone has more than enough power on its own to do graphic design jobs, and it lasts for a decent amount of time. Additionally, it has a section solely for gaming, complete with shortcuts for taking screenshots, performance modes, and voice changers, all designed to improve the gaming experience. The smartphone's 12GB RAM and MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset ensure the user won't have any heating or lagging difficulties. The V25 Pro is nearly destroyed by the graphic incentive chores. The multi-core score is 2554, whereas the single-core score is 843. This performed better than flagships from 2 years ago, but far worse than devices like the Poco F3, which had a multi-core score of 3062. Moving on, the system's RAM management is respectable. The 12GB RAM can support extended periods of fluid operation for web browsers and social media applications like Instagram or Facebook. The phone performs nicely for more demanding games like COD Mobile. Battery. The 4830 mAh battery within the Vivo V25 Pro is capable of 66-watt rapid charging. The smartphone loses 15 to 20% of its battery when playing games with high graphics settings, so that part of the discussion centered on battery life. While streaming videos on YouTube or other OTT sites, on the other hand, the device's battery depletes at a rate of 12 to 15% per hour. The smartphone often lasts for 15 hours after being fully charged. The session included a few conversations, several hours of music listening, video watching, social media program use, and gaming. Vivo V25 Pro's inferior battery performance compared to the OnePlus Nord 2T may put off many Vivo devotees. Camera. The Vivo V25 Pro is at its best in this department. The V25 Pro features 3 rear cameras, the main one being a 64MP sensor and optical image stabilization, or OIS. A 2MP macro sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide sensor follow. In their conference, Vivo constantly stated how they intended to expand the pixel size rather than pursue higher megapixel counts. The outcomes are astounding. Although the 64MP OIS may not be as useful for films, its support is impressive. It's amazing to see how well the portraits turn out in natural lighting, and the image app even lets you change the bokeh often. It has excellent edge detection. With HDR enabled, the image's tones become warmer. The standard is once again raised by a video performance of 30 or 60 frames per second. The camera can capture 4K films. The hybrid image stabilization of the camera is activated by quick changes in camera angles. It also has decent audio quality. It is appropriate for Vivo to make this a smartphone focused on cameras. A special vlog mode on the gadget enables simultaneous use of the front and back cameras. Most customers will appreciate additional features like live images and AI improvements. Eye autofocus is available on the 32MP selfie camera. It significantly lightens and makes the skin appear paler. But if you utilize AI enhancements, the results improve gradually, and it works its magic during post-processing. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon with another video. For more awesome tech videos, subscribe and check out other videos from our channel.